Introducing the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 8-quart XL pressure cooker, a culinary marvel that combines the best of pressure cooking and air frying in one powerful pot. With its Tendercrisp technology, you can achieve perfectly cooked and crispy dishes, unlocking endless meal options. Let's explore the features that make this kitchen appliance a must-have for every home chef. Here are the key features of Ninja OS401 Foodi 10-in-1 XL 8-quart pressure cooker and air fryer. The perfect culinary companion. 10-in-1 versatility. Experience the culinary convenience of 10 versatile functions at your fingertips. This Ninja Foodi pressure cooker offers the ability to pressure cook, air crisp, sear, sauté, steam, slow cook, yogurt, Sous, Vide, keep warm, bake, roast, broil, dehydrate, and reheat, all with the simple press of a button. Prepare a wide range of dishes effortlessly and explore new meal possibilities every day. Tendercrisp technology, moisture lock and crispy perfection. With the innovative Tendercrisp technology, you can swiftly pressure cook your ingredients, locking in essential moisture, and then achieve a delightful crisp finish. Whether it's succulent meats or crispy vegetables, this cutting-edge technology brings out the best in your culinary creations. From frozen to crispy, quick air frying delights. Experience the wonders of air frying with the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Transform frozen foods into crispy delights in as little as 20 minutes. You can even cook a whole 7lb chicken in under an hour, thanks to the combined pressure cooking and crisping functionalities. Faster cooking, healthier results. The power of pressure cook. The Ninja Foodi pressure cooker lives up to its name, cooking up to 70% faster than traditional methods like slow cooking, braising, or low simmering. Save time while enjoying delicious meals without compromising on taste and texture. Healthier cooking with less fat. Air fry with ease. Indulge in guilt-free delights with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. The air fry function of the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker allows you to enjoy your favorite crispy treats without the excess oil. Family size capacity. Cook for everyone. With its generous 8-quart cooking capacity and stainless steel reversible rack, the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker accommodates family-sized meals effortlessly. Steam, broil, and add extra capacity, all while preparing mains and sides simultaneously. Hassle-free cleaning. Easy to clean design. Say goodbye to scrubbing with the non-stick 8-quart cooking pot and 5.6-quart cook and crisp plate. Both dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Spend more time savoring your delicious creations and less time on post-cooking chores. Unlock culinary inspiration. Chef-inspired recipes. Explore the world of flavors with 15 chef-inspired recipes and additional cooking charts included with the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker. Unleash your creativity and take your culinary skills to new heights. What's included? The complete package. The Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 8-quart XL pressure cooker comes with everything you need to start your culinary journey. Pressure cooker, 2 lids for ultimate cooking flexibility, 8-quart cooking pot, 5.6-quart cook and crisp plate, reversible rack and 15 recipe guide. In conclusion, the Ninja Foodi 10-in-1 8-quart XL pressure cooker is a game-changer in the kitchen. Its Tendercrisp technology, versatile functions, and family-sized capacity make it a must-have for every home chef. Save time, savor healthier meals, and enjoy endless cooking possibilities with this incredible kitchen appliance. Elevate your culinary creations with the Ninja Foodi pressure cooker and embark on a journey of culinary delights.